Again, I'm unique.
You're unique.
Look at the outfits. Matching outfit.
Stop it.
Look who's afraid of dogs. Look who's afraid of dogs. Family photos. Family photos.
Oreo. Come, girl. Open. What is it?
Excuse me.
What is it? Look at that.
Excuse me.
Yes.
No more Sonic, please. Thank you.
Look at you, but no more Sonic. You got a matching. Who is it from?
Mine is from mommy and mom.
Mm-hmm.
And mine is from brothers.
All right, let's go. I don't remember what.
Hang on. No.
There you go.
After it's first time.
Use your phones to take some photos for us. No, leave it.
Do something with your foot. Do something with your foot. Do
I
something.
don't know what to do with my foot. Alright with that? Yeah.
What me feel
Yeah.
look? So we got buy socks. I'm gonna say design up at top. Oh,
You gotta worry about me.
Oreo. Hey, girl. Shouldn't have one. Hey, I'll ramp you the ramp. Ramp you the ramp. You are playing. Come.
Hurry up, come, hurry up, come.
Hey.
Alright, look nice.
Oh,
Suction cup
good
out
girl, Carolina.
for
So let's see. It's good, very good, girl. Let's see. Alexa, very and original. Yeah.
yes, I knew you were going to love that.
Yeah.
I mean, can you say goodbye?
Yes. Now I know I'll be able to
my.
tell which one of them
Just
actually.
remember that I broke. The one that I have was broken. Thank you.
You're welcome. Why do we do what? One day it's
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Okay. Wait, I don't want this on your buy. Cannot bother. Thank you.
Thank
Definitely
you.
wanted this too for a phone call.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Open it. Open it.
And oh, this looks nice. Oh, this is. What's this? Psycho Bunny. Watch never with the camera.
Uh-oh.
Apparently, it's a big brand.
It's a brand, yeah. It's a raving brand right now.
It's popular with the
Me know,
kids.
you never know.
It's
Let me
popular with
hear when me say
children.
Psycho Bunny. Me know, she know.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Christina. I love it.
Bye bye.
I love it. Oh, she's so sweet. Renee.
What is happening? There's snow behind us.
Is there?
Was a good morning for? Well, was that good Christmas morning?
Yes.
Open gift. Watch the kids open gift. It was fun.
The excitement and everything. Oh, yeah.
Hopefully more to come.
Stick and stay. Food. I never know when they go high. I never know when they go high.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Somewhere to get up. Oh.
Hallelujah.
I want a yacht and really that's not a lot. Being an angel all year, Santa baby, hurry down the chimney tonight.
Chefin. Hey, YNR fam! Thank you so much for spending time with us as we celebrated our Christmas day here.
Yes, we appreciate the fact that, you know, we're grateful that we were able to spend it here together
With family
as well, given the devastation in Jamaica. And as most of you would have known, we are from Western Jamaica, so the devastation is real, you know. So this was a well-spent trip, a well-spent day, full up belly, and all of that.
A lot of things. A few things weren't caught on camera, but we had to make the most and enjoy the day.
The moment,
Yeah.
be in the moment as well, you know. Because, you know, sometimes you get so lost in capturing things to show others that you forget to actually be in the moment, to enjoy the moment.
Yeah.
And I think that too, I know I said I wasn't going to say this, but I think that's one of the things that has kind of affected most of our videos and all of that, because we've been thinking, hey, you know what, let's enjoy the moment. And it's not that we don't want you people with us anymore, of course. We definitely appreciate you guys.
We record stuff.
Yes.
Just don't get edited.
Yeah, and you know, life happens. There are just so many different things. Sometimes you plan things and they just don't end up the way that you intended.
Yeah, but we're not gonna ramble on too much. For everyone watching in Jamaica, we hope that despite everything that happened, you still managed to have at least a decent day. Spent it with family, ate some food, because we sure as heck did.
Come take some of the pounds, please, and take some of the pounds.
But yeah, we appreciate you for watching. If you got this far, we haven't done this in a while. If you got this far, we appreciate you guys so much. Hope you're liking the Christmas tree behind us.
He's behaving as though we did
No, we
nothing
didn't
with
do
that
anything.
tree.
We came here inside, right?
Nothing, yeah.
Yeah, we came here inside. But as per usual, I'm Ren.
And I'm Yan.
How do we say goodbye?
Bye.